So I hope you had a great weekend. In this episode, in fact, this week, I'm actually going to be talking a lot about email. And the reason I want to talk about email is because Basecamp, project management guys, have brought out a new email, and I talked about it last week, called hey.com. And you either love it or hate it. There's kind of a gray area, but generally it's like a love-hate relationship, whether you really like it or really hate it. I'm kind of in the middle, actually, not trying to be any different. But there are a lot of features that I like. There are some features that I really like, and there's some features I don't. In all, it actually is a really good system, workflow, whatever. But it kind of messes with my workflow too much. Now,